Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and I have an incoming swap to share with you, and this is for a Shark Week pocket letter from an Instagram pocket letter group, and this one is from Jessica, and I'm super excited because I love sharks. So first off, we have these little like 3D printed sharks. Like, how cute are those? Super cute. We have this cute little envelope. Wish I can make cool stuff like this, but I can't. So here is our pocket letter. I like how she's used her fuse tool and she's actually divided up the little pockets and done little sequins down here, and it kind of looks like water bubbles, stuff like that. And she's got some sharks. She's got the 3D printed sharks here. She's got some, like, I don't know what they're called, like dewdrops, water drops. So cute. And in the back, I didn't stuff mine. I put mine in a separate envelope because, you know, I did. We have these cute little flatback sharks. Those are so cute. Here's Jessica's information, but I will link everything down below. And then we have some shark stickers. I did not have shark stickers. I looked, but I didn't find any. And I did not like think about, or like by the time I thought about it, it was too late to order on like Temu for anything shark related, because I wouldn't have gotten here in time. And we have some cute little wood shark veneers that she's like painted or used like alcohol inks, something like that, to dye them. So those are super cute. And then we've got a sequin mix that matches. So cute. And then we have little shark earrings. It's so funny because I actually have these. No, do I have the dinosaur ones? I can't think if I have the dinosaur ones or the shark ones. I think I have the dinosaur ones, but they're like these little clay earrings. Aren't they cute? I think I have the dinosaur ones. Man, I'm gonna have to look now because I can't remember. So cute. We have a shark fidget like popper thing. She found way more shark stuff than I did. Oh, and I didn't even show you. Look at this little shark bag. So she got online and ordered, and I was slow to the roll. We have this little whale shark eraser and some more plain wood veneers, and a little, well, I mean, I think it might be technically saying it's a mermaid tail, but you could say that it's a shark tail. But look how fun this little pen is. This is actually a really cute pen. And then we have a little shark notebook. How cute. So cute. Thank you so much, Jessica, for swapping with me. This was like one of the first like pocket letter swaps I've done in a long time. Like, I hope that I did okay. I'll link my video down below if you want to see the pocket letter that I made. I did more of a Jaws theme, but I do like sharks, and I live by the water, so sharks are just a part of life. We have a shark sighting like in this, like, I want to say we've had one almost, I'll say 5 out of the 7 days a week for the past like 3 months. Because the waters have been super warm, so we've had a lot of sharks. Unfortunately, that means that we have had a couple of shark attacks. Nothing fatal, but sharks are part of the ocean. If you're going to be in the ocean, you have to be aware of your surroundings and know that there is wildlife in there. So anyway, be nice to the sharks. I love sharks, and thank you so much, Jessica, for swapping with me.